Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Daily Flow. We are so happy to have you here with us today. I am Emma.
And I am Kevin. Welcome to our English practice family.
On this channel, we help you learn real, everyday English conversations.
That's right. No boring textbooks, just real life. If you are ready to learn, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
Today, we are going to talk about a topic that everyone talks about. We are talking about the weather.
Yes, the weather. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it raining tacos?
Kevin, it never rains tacos, but it is a very useful topic. It is the best way to start a conversation with anyone.
That is true. But first, Emma, how are you today?
I am doing wonderful, Kevin. It is a lovely sunny day. The sky is blue, the birds are singing. I feel full of energy. How is everything with you?
I am doing okay, but I'm a little bit hot.
Hot? Why?
Well, I looked out the window this morning. It looked gray. So I put on my winter coat and my wool hat and my scarf.
Kevin, it is 25 degrees Celsius. It is summer.
I know. Now I'm sweating. I look like a baked potato.
Seriously? You need to check the weather forecast before you dress.
Forecast? What is that?
The prediction, it tells you what the weather will be like. You can check it on your phone.
Oh, I just guessed. My guess was wrong.
Go take off your coat, Kevin.
Okay. Kevin takes off coat. Whew, that is better.
Audience, do you check the weather forecast every day? Yes or no? Tell us in the comments.
Okay. Let's talk about the different kinds of weather. Let's start with my favorite, sunny weather.
I love sunny weather. The sun is shining, the sky is clear.
Yes, it is perfect for the beach.
What do you do on a sunny day?
I wear my sunglasses, I look cool, and I eat ice cream.
Ice cream is essential, but you must be careful. The sun is strong.
Yes, last week I went to the park. I fell asleep in the sun.
Oh no, did you wear sunscreen?
No, I forgot.
Kevin, that is dangerous. What happened?
I woke up and I was red, bright red, like a tomato.
You got a sunburn.
Yes, it hurt to touch my face. Ouch, don't touch me.
You must always wear sunscreen and a hat.
I know. Now I wear a giant hat, like a sombrero.
That is good. What else happens when it is hot?
We sweat.
Yes, when water comes out of your skin.
It is gross. My shirt gets wet. I need a shower.
It is called a heat wave when it is very, very hot for many days.
I hate heat waves. I have to sleep with a fan. Whirr.
Me too. Students, do you like hot weather or is it too much?
Now let's talk about the opposite, rainy weather.
I actually like the rain. It's cozy.
Cozy. It is wet. I hate getting wet.
Do you have an umbrella?
I buy umbrellas, but I lose them.
Seriously? How many umbrellas did you lose?
Maybe 10? I leave them on the bus or at the cafe.
You are a disaster.
And sometimes the wind breaks them. The umbrella goes inside out. Whoosh. And I look silly.
That is funny. You need a raincoat.
Yes, a waterproof jacket.
What do you do when it rains?
I stay inside. I watch movies. I drink hot chocolate.
I like to walk in the rain. I like the smell of wet grass.
You are romantic. I just see mud.
Mud. That is wet dirt.
Yes, and puddles, the pools of water on the ground.
Do you jump in puddles?
Sometimes, when nobody's looking. Splash.
Kevin, you are a child.
It is fun, but then my socks get wet.
Ew, wet socks are the worst feeling in the world.
I agree. Squish, squish.
Sometimes it rains very hard. We say it's pouring.
Or we use a funny idiom. It's raining cats and dogs.
Yes, that means heavy rain.
I looked outside once. I wanted to see a puppy falling from the sky.
No way, Kevin, it's just an expression. No animals fall.
I was disappointed. I wanted a free cat.
Audience, does it rain a lot in your country? Tell us.
Okay, now let's talk about cold weather.
Brr, winter.
I hate the cold. My nose gets red, my toes freeze.
You need to wear warm clothes, a coat, a scarf, gloves.
I wear 5 t-shirts under my jacket. I look like a marshmallows man.
Do you like snow?
Snow is beautiful. It's white and soft.
Do you build a snowman?
Yes, I make a big snowman. I use a carrot for the nose.
That is cute.
But then a rabbit came and ate the nose.
Seriously?
Yes, my snowman had no nose. It was sad.
Do you like skiing?
No way. It's dangerous. Sliding down a mountain on sticks? No, thank you.
I love skiing. It is fast.
I prefer sitting by the fireplace with a blanket.
That is nice too. What is the coldest temperature you have seen? Once I was in Canada. It was minus 20 degrees.
Minus 20? That's a freezer. Did you turn into an ice cube?
Almost. My hair froze.
That is crazy. I like 25 degrees. That is perfect.
Students, do you have snow in your city? Yes or no?
Now, let's talk about scary weather. Storms.
Thunder and lightning.
I am scared of thunder. It is so loud. Boom!
It is just noise, Kevin. It cannot hurt you.
It sounds like a giant is walking in the sky.
And lightning is the flash of light. Zap.
That is dangerous. Do not stand under a tree.
Correct. Stay inside.
When there is a storm, my dog hides under the bed.
And what do you do?
I hide under the bed with the dog.
Seriously? You are a grown man.
It is safe under there. We eat cookies together.
You are funny. What about wind?
I don't like strong wind. It messes up my hair.
You don't have much hair, Kevin.
Hey, I have style. The wind ruins my style.
Sometimes the wind is very strong, like a hurricane or typhoon.
Those are dangerous. You must stay home.
Yes, safety is important.
Audience, are you scared of thunder? Kevin is.
Now let's talk about the 4 seasons.
4? I thought there were only 2. Hot and cold.
No, Kevin. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Tell me about spring.
Spring is beautiful. The flowers bloom, the trees get green.
But I have allergies.
Oh, right, hay fever.
Yes, the flowers make me sneeze. Achoo!
Bless you.
Spring is nice to look at, but my nose runs like a river.
What about summer?
Summer is vacation time. No school, no work.
You still have to work, Kevin.
Oh, right. But I can go to the beach on the weekend. Summer is hot.
Then comes autumn or fall.
I like autumn. The leaves turn orange and brown.
It gets cooler. You need a light jacket.
And it is Halloween. I love pumpkins.
And finally, winter.
Cold, dark, but we have Christmas.
Yes, each season is special.
Audience, what is your favorite season? Spring? Summer? Autumn? Winter?
Kevin, let's talk about predicting the weather.
Okay. How do we know if it will rain?
We check the app or watch the news.
The weatherman on TV.
Yes, he says there is a 50% chance of rain.
What does that mean, 50%?
It means maybe yes, maybe no.
That is not helpful. I need to know. Should I bring my umbrella?
If it says 50%, bring the umbrella. Better safe than sorry.
My grandma has a special way to predict weather.
Really? What does she do?
She says, my knee hurts. Rain is coming.
No way. Does it work?
Yes, she is always right. She is a human weather station.
That is amazing. My knee just feels like a knee.
Maybe you are not magical like my grandma.
Maybe not.
What about the temperature?
In America, they use Fahrenheit. In the UK and most of the world, we use Celsius.
That is confusing.
Yes, 30 degrees Celsius is hot. 30 degrees Fahrenheit is freezing.
Wow, that is a big difference. Be careful if you travel.
Yes, check the unit.
I once went to America. The TV said it is 100 degrees today.
100 degrees?
I thought I was going to boil. I thought I would die.
But it was Fahrenheit.
Yes, it was just a hot summer day, not boiling water.
That is funny.
Audience, do you use Celsius or Fahrenheit? Tell us.
Sometimes the weather changes very fast.
Yes, like in London.
1 minute it's sunny, then it rains, then it's windy.
You need sunglasses, an umbrella, and a scarf on the same day.
It's crazy. We say the weather is unpredictable.
Unpredictable. That is a long word.
It means you cannot guess what will happen.
Like my cat. Sometimes he's nice, sometimes he bites me. He is unpredictable.
Exactly.
What is your perfect weather, Emma?
I like 22 degrees, sunny, a light breeze.
That sounds nice. A Goldilocks day. Not too hot, not too cold. Just right.
What is your perfect weather?
I like cloudy days
Cloudy? Why? It's gloomy.
because the sun doesn't hurt my eyes and it's not too hot. And I can play video games without feeling guilty.
You always find a reason to be lazy.
It is a talent.
Let's practice a small conversation. Imagine we meet on the street.
Okay, action.
Hi, Kevin. Nice to see you.
Hi, Emma.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is lovely. Much better than yesterday.
I know. Yesterday was terrible. So much rain.
I hope it stays sunny for the weekend.
Me too. I want to go to the park.
I want to eat pizza in the park.
Sounds like a plan.
Cut. Did I do good?
Yes, that was perfect small talk.
Small talk about weather is very British.
It is very polite. If you don't know what to say, talk about the weather.
It is hot today.
Yes, it is.
Boom. Conversation.
Simple and effective.
Audience, try to describe the weather in your city right now. Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy?
Wow, we talked about so many things.
I feel like a weatherman now. And tomorrow, there will be sun.
You are hired.
Let's review the new words. Repeat after us.
Sunny,
When the sun is out.
rainy,
When water falls from the sky.
cloudy,
When the sky is gray.
windy,
When the air moves fast. Whoosh!
stormy,
Thunder and lightning. Boom!
snowy,
White ice falling.
foggy,
When you cannot see anything, like a white cloud on the ground.
forecast,
The prediction of the weather.
temperature,
How hot or cold it is.
umbrella.
The thing that keeps you dry until I lose it.
Very good. You are weather experts.
Now, it is time for the question of the day.
We want to hear from you.
Today's question is, what is your favorite season and why?
Do you like summer for the beach?
Do you like winter for the snow?
Do you like spring for the flowers?
Do you like autumn for the Halloween candy?
Write your answer in the comments.
I like winter because I love hot chocolate.
I like summer because I hate wearing coats.
Tell us your story.
We read every single comment. It makes us happy.
Yes, you guys are the best students in the world.
Thank you for watching this long video.
You learned a lot today.
Please like this video if you learned a new word.
And subscribe to English Daily Flow.
Hit the bell icon. Ding ding.
And check the weather before you go outside. Don't be like me.
Don't wear a winter coat in summer.
I learned my lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Stay dry.